Hello and welcome. I'm Chavi Sompura and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. The Met Office issues a tornado alert as a funnel cloud is expected to hit. A Met Office meteorologist has sounded the alarm for a potential tornado hitting parts of the UK today. Weather specialist has cautioned that a tornado is not out of the question as a funnel cloud loomed over the southeast of England. The alert coincided with tumultuous weather in the region, including thunder, lightning and hailstorms, amidst a stark north-south divide in conditions, with the north enjoying sunny spells by contrast. He also noted that there will be further showery bursts to come as we go through the rest of today. Tornadoes are a rarity in Britain and tend to be quite feeble when they do occur. Around 30 tornadoes a year are reported in the UK. These are typically small and short-lived but can cause structural damage if they pass over built-up areas. Further scattered showers are expected to affect the south later this afternoon, before fading away by this evening. Clouds slip southwards across the northeast with a few drizzly outbreaks over higher ground. Today's poor weather across south of England follows the driest start to spring in nearly 60 years. The Environment Agency has issued a warning over a potential drought if the country continues to see similar weather patterns over the forthcoming months, reports the Express. A tornado could batter parts of the UK, experts are warning, as southern England endures heavy rain following the driest start to spring in decades. Northern parts having a lot of fine sunny weather. Meanwhile, in the south we have seen some wet weather push its way in and there will be further showery bursts to come as we go through the rest. As of Friday, 80.6 millimeters of rain had been recorded in the UK in spring 2025, nearly 20 millimeters less than the record low for the full season of 100.7 millimeters set in 1852. The Environment Agency is warning that it could contribute to drought this summer if there continues to be long periods without any rainfall. The UK is set to return to more dry weather on Thursday, with only a few showers forecasted in the southwest of England. Friday is due to be mostly fine, but more wet and windy conditions are earmarked for the weekend. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.